Our world is full of wonder, with breathtaking landscapes, diverse wildlife, and vibrant communities. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, nature's beauty surrounds us, reminding us of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. But we face a growing problem: plastic waste. Every corner of our planet, from bustling cities to remote wilderness, is touched by the impact of discarded plastics. Every day, millions of plastic bottles are used once and discarded, often ending up in our rivers, oceans, and landscapes for centuries. These bottles don't simply disappear, they break down into tiny fragments, polluting our water and soil, and entering the food chain. This plastic tide threatens wildlife and the balance of our ecosystems. Animals mistake plastic for food or become entangled, leading to suffering and loss of life. The consequences ripple outward, affecting entire habitats and even human health. But this is not a story of despair. It's a story of transformation and hope. Around the world, people are rising to the challenge, finding innovative ways to tackle plastic pollution and give new purpose to what was once considered waste. We'll follow the journey of a single plastic bottle from trash to treasure, showing how recycling can turn waste into something beautiful and useful. This journey is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to create positive change. Imagine mountains of discarded bottles, symbols of our throwaway culture, but also a hidden resource. Each bottle represents both a challenge and an opportunity to rethink how we use materials. Each bottle is made of PET, a strong, versatile plastic that can be given a second life. PET is not just waste, it's a valuable material that, with the right process, can be transformed again and again. Recycling takes these mountains and turns them into building blocks for something new. Through careful sorting, cleaning, and processing, what was once trash becomes the foundation for innovation. The journey from bottle to luxury fabric is a marvel of engineering and environmental science. It's a process that blends technology, creativity, and a commitment to sustainability. It requires immense machinery, precise chemistry, and human effort. Teams of dedicated workers and scientists collaborate to ensure every step is efficient and environmentally friendly. We'll see how bottles, once destined for pollution, are collected, sorted, cleaned, and remade. Each stage is crucial, turning potential waste into valuable raw material. This is about more than making something new. It's about taking responsibility and creating a circular economy. By reusing materials, we reduce our environmental footprint and build a more sustainable future. Materials are reused again and again, not discarded after a single use. This cycle keeps resources in use and out of landfills, protecting our planet for generations to come. This process is happening right now, quietly changing our relationship with the materials we use. Every recycled bottle is a step toward a cleaner, healthier world. Let's begin the journey from waste to wonder and discover how together we can turn the tide on plastic pollution. The journey of recycling begins with collection, a global effort that unites communities, organizations, and technology. Across bustling city streets, quiet neighborhoods, and even remote beaches, people and machines work tirelessly to gather discarded plastic bottles. From homes and offices to public parks and riversides, every bottle collected is a small victory for the environment. Volunteers join hands during cleanup drives, while dedicated workers and automated systems ensure that no bottle is left behind. These efforts result in massive bales of crushed bottles, each containing thousands of individual pieces, which are then transported to recycling factories. Trucks loaded with compacted plastic arrive daily, forming the backbone of the recycling supply chain. Once inside the factory, the real transformation begins with sorting. Conveyor belts carry a colorful mix of bottles into the heart of the recycling plant, where the process of separation starts. Only PET bottles are suitable for the next stage, so advanced technology and sharp human eyes work together to identify and separate them from other plastics and contaminants. This careful sorting is crucial for ensuring the quality of the recycled material. Magnets swiftly remove any stray metals, while optical scanners use beams of light to distinguish between different types of plastics. Powerful air jets then blow the sorted bottles into their designated streams, ensuring precision at every step. As the bottles move along, workers perform a final quality check, skillfully removing colored plastics, caps, and stubborn labels. Their attention to detail guarantees that only the purest bottles continue onward. Only the highest quality clear or light blue PET bottles make the cut, ready to be transformed into something new. These bottles represent the best raw material for recycling. The result is a uniform stream of purified plastic, flowing seamlessly through the factory's machinery, ready for the next phase of its journey. Every day, tons of bottles are processed in these facilities, turning what was once household waste into a valuable resource for industries around the world. What was once a chaotic heap of discarded bottles is now a carefully curated resource, sorted and organized with precision. The collection phase is now complete, setting the stage for the next transformation. The bottles are now ready to be washed, scrubbed clean of their past lives and prepared for a new beginning. Their metamorphosis is about to begin as they move forward to become something entirely new and valuable once again. Before rebirth, the bottles must be cleansed. Covered in dirt, labels and residue, they enter massive industrial washing machines. High-pressure jets and cleaning agents strip away grime, labels and glue. Multiple washes and rinses ensure absolute purity. Water is filtered and recycled within the factory to minimize waste. After washing, the bottles emerge gleaming and unrecognizable. Powerful hot air dries them, leaving only pure, clean plastic. The sound of millions of bottles clattering along conveyor belts signals progress. They are now ready for the next step: total deconstruction. The journey from waste to resource continues. Next, the bottles will be shredded. Clean bottles arrive at the shredding chamber, where their transformation accelerates. Fed into powerful shredders, they're torn apart by spinning blades. The bottles are reduced to tiny confetti-like flakes in seconds. Screens ensure flakes are the right size. Oversized pieces are re-shredded. The flakes pour out like plastic snow, a dramatic change from their original form. A final wash removes dust, and float sink tanks separate PET from lighter plastics. Only pure PET flakes remain, over 99% pure. This purity is crucial for creating high-quality polyester. The familiar bottle is gone, replaced by a mound of perfect plastic flakes. The next step: melting. The journey from bottle to fabric is well underway. The flakes are ready for the heat. The pure flakes enter the heart of the factory, the extruder. Inside, a giant screw pushes them through a heated chamber, reaching over 270 degrees C. The flakes melt into a thick, clear liquid, losing all memory of their former life. This molten plastic is filtered to remove any last impurities. Even a tiny speck could weaken the final fibers, so filtration is critical. The result is a perfectly pure stream of molten polymer. The factory runs continuously, turning old bottles into this valuable liquid resource. The molten plastic is now ready for its most magical transformation. It waits, held at the perfect temperature, to be spun into something new. The stage is set for creation. Now comes the moment of creation. The molten polymer is pumped through a spinneret, a metal plate with thousands of microscopic holes. As the liquid emerges, it cools instantly, forming fine filaments like a spider's web. Rotating wheels stretch these filaments, aligning their molecules for strength and flexibility. Hundreds or thousands of filaments are combined into a single yarn. The yarn can be textured for softness or volume, making it suitable for everything from silky fabrics to fleeces. Automated machines wind the yarn onto spools, ready for weaving. This is recycled polyester, identical in quality to virgin polyester but made from waste. The journey from discarded bottle to high-quality yarn is complete. The thread is ready to become fabric. The transformation is nearly finished. The spools of recycled yarn are transported to weaving or knitting machines. Thousands of threads are interlaced at high speed, creating large sheets of fabric. Modern looms use jets of air or water to weave the yarn rapidly and efficiently. The raw fabric, called grage, is then washed and scoured to remove residues. Next, it's dyed in huge vats for vibrant, lasting color. Additional treatments can add softness, waterproofing, or a glossy sheen. Each step is carefully controlled to meet fashion industry standards. The plain cloth is transformed into a sophisticated, high-performance material. The fabric is now ready for its final transformation, into clothing. The journey from bottle to fabric is complete. Finished fabric rolls are shipped to clothing manufacturers worldwide. Designers and pattern makers see not waste, but a versatile, beautiful material. The fabric is cut, sewn, and assembled into everything from activewear to elegant dresses. Its versatility allows for lightweight shirts, warm fleeces, or silky garments. Fashion brands embrace recycled polyester for its quality and sustainability. Finished garments are pressed, packaged, and labeled as recycled. Consumers may not know the journey, but their purchase supports a cleaner planet. Sustainable fashion is now a reality thanks to recycling. The journey from bottle to garment is more than manufacturing, it's a shift in how we see waste. Each plastic bottle, once discarded, holds the potential for a new beginning. Instead of ending up as pollution, it can be transformed into something valuable, changing the narrative of what we consider trash. Recycling turns pollution into valuable resources, keeping plastic out of oceans and landfills. Every bottle collected is one less piece of waste harming wildlife or polluting our environment. It's a collective effort, involving communities, industries, and individuals, all working together to protect our planet's future. Making polyester from recycled bottles uses less energy and cuts carbon emissions. This process not only conserves natural resources but also reduces our dependence on fossil fuels. By choosing recycled materials, we're making a conscious decision to support cleaner, greener production methods. Every recycled product is a step toward a sustainable future. These items represent innovation and responsibility, showing that style and sustainability can go hand in hand. When we choose recycled goods, we're voting for a healthier planet with every purchase. The fashion industry is changing, driven by innovation and consumer demand for transparency. Designers and brands are rethinking their materials and processes, embracing new technologies that make recycling possible on a larger scale. Shoppers are asking more questions, seeking out brands that prioritize the environment. The story of the plastic bottle proves style and sustainability can coexist. Today's recycled garments are not only eco-friendly but also fashionable and comfortable, showing that we don't have to compromise on quality or aesthetics to make a positive impact. It inspires us to find new uses for other waste materials. From creative upcycling projects to innovative product designs, the possibilities are endless when we look at waste as a resource. This mindset encourages creativity and sparks new ideas for a circular economy. Next time you finish a drink, remember your bottle's story isn't over. By recycling, you're giving it a chance to be reborn, to become something useful and beautiful once again. Small actions repeated by millions can create real change. If recycled, it can be cleansed, shredded, melted, and spun into the fabric of our lives. This transformation is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to solve problems through innovation and determination. This journey is a symbol of hope and ingenuity. It shows that with the right mindset and technology, we can turn challenges into opportunities and create a brighter future for everyone. By working with nature and using our creativity, we can mend our planet. Every step we take toward sustainability brings us closer to a world where people and nature thrive together. One bottle at a time, we're building a better future, one where waste becomes opportunity, and every choice we make helps heal the earth for generations to come.